For me, there's really nothing like the thrill of discovery of being the first person to uncover something new in a biomedical system. And the fact that I get to do this every day with early career researchers like graduate students and be sharing with them in that thrill of discovery is incredibly gratifying. Some of what we've uncovered has led us in new directions and new collaborations with engineers, biophysicists, systems biologists, and being at the frontiers of science like that at these interdisciplinary areas is incredibly exciting. My name is Alison Criss, and I am a professor and vice chair of the Department of Microbiology, Immunology, and Cancer Biology here at the UVA School of Medicine. Our research uncovers how the foot soldiers of our immune system, called neutrophils, recognize and respond to microbes, and how pathogens, including the bacterium that causes gonorrhea, manages to subvert these responses so that it can cause disease in humans. The bacterium that causes gonorrhea is a drug-resistant superbug, and what that means is that we're running out of treatment options for it. Our research is uncovering targets, both in the host and the bacterium, that we can address in order to both prevent infection and prevent the tissue damage that can occur in order to improve people's lives.